We're gonna make this Raptor breathe a lot better with help from COBB. Your Raptor is a performance truck. If you want it to perform better, you need to make it breathe better. So today we're gonna be installing this COBB Cold Air Intake with our Access Port tuner. I really like this COBB Cold Air Intake system. It comes with a massive filter that utilizes the stock air box with a new composite top. The piping is mandrel bent in a durable black finish. It includes the clamps, the silicone couplers, and the bolts to mount it into your truck. The best part about this COBB Cold Air Intake system is it includes the COBB Access Port. Once you install that intake, you get a new tune to make that truck perform the best with that intake system. Now it's time to get it installed on our 2017 Raptor. Okay guys, now we're in the engine bay. Now we're going to remove our air box. All you need is one flat blade screwdriver. Start off by loosening the two hose clamps on the intercooler piping. Remove your sensor from the piping, twist, and pull. Last thing is to pop these two clips off the air box. And now you can pull it off. Ta-da! And scrap your factory air filter. Before we can install this massive air filter into our truck, we have to install it into the COBB top. Just slide it in. They come with 6 supplied screws to hold the air filter in. Install the 6 screws to hold in the air filter. COBB supplies the Allen key to tighten these down. Now that the screws are tightened down, install the supplied gasket onto the top, then install it in your truck. Reinstall the clips to hold the top in while we do the piping. Install your COBB silicone couplers. The big one goes on the bottom, the smaller one goes up top. Install the supplied hose clamps to the silicone couplers. Install the clamps on the air filter. Grab the straight piece of pipe that goes on the back side of the air filter and across to the intercooler piping. Before tightening your hose clamps, install the other piping. Now to get these two pieces lined up, there's going to be a brace that holds them together. Grab the supplied brace and hardware, install it onto the piping. Now we're on the home stretch. Tighten down your screws, your clamps, put your new tune on the truck, and your installation is complete. Like all the COBB parts that we install, great quality, great performance, easy to install. Give or take about 30 to 40 minutes for installation. Keep on building and have fun.